Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add movies and series to your watch list if you are interested in starting watching them on the Prime Video application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the home or the find icon down below and select a series or movies that you are interested in. You can either select a category from the top, such as TV shows or movies. Then there are a vast variety of options that you can choose from, organized into distinct categories by genres and so on. So click on the relevant one that you are interested in. You can check out movie details by tapping on the more details functions such as genre, director, starring, and so on. If you are interested in it, tap on the watch list option that you can see in the middle of the screen, indicated by this plus icon, thereby adding it to your watch list. So if you go to the My Stuff section, you can check out the items added to your list. Here are the items displayed. If you tap on the three dots icon, you can play the trailer, remove it from your watch list by tapping on the checkmark icon. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.